So let's see today market analysis. So as a total market, today it's just a normal day. Nothing much happened. If you see as a total market momentum, it closed negatively itself. And even the breadth also. Only 38% of the stocks has closed positively. Nearly 70%, 60% is closed negatively actually. So yeah, it's a down day, if you can say. And as an index level, it closed positively. It's more neutral actually. And if you see expansion, today 5.5% of the stocks closed above 4%. On the other side, 4.6% of the stocks closed negatively. More than 4% is down actually. So yeah, again, so some rotation is happening. There is no clear buying or clear selling. So if you see swing trading, nothing, the state has nothing changed from yesterday. It is same actually. From leading or lagging indication, it says that it is good. The price is above 10 and 21 SMA, and even the 10 is SMA is above 21, which is a bullish crossover. So yeah, for swing trading, it shows good. But as we discussed yesterday, the price is trading near the trade deal candle actually. US India trade deal candle. So this is the highest pressure point. So unless this pressure point is taken out, we don't see a positive sentiment actually. So as of now, we need to see the price behavior. And when it comes to candle strength, similarly, okay, so it's same as yesterday actually. These numbers looks very similar to yesterday. And candle also, if you see, not much actually. The range is very small. So nothing much except some rotation is happening. Selling is also happening and buying is also happening in selective stocks. So when it comes to sectoral analysis, if you see Nifty Junior closed nearly 0.6% upside, and small cap some 0.3%. Rest everything looks neutral, and then whereas mid cap also 0.07, which is more on neutral only. Nothing much change in today's indices level, apart from some money went into Junior Nifty. And sectoral indices, if you see, auto, public banks, and pharma. So these are the one which gave more than 1% positive closure. And IT again, IT was beaten. If you see, IT was the continuously beaten down for last 50 days. Let me show. So yeah, if you see, IT was the last, the beaten down sector in this quarter. In last 50 to 60 trading day, we see this is the one sector which was beaten down very badly. And thematic indices, if you see, consumption. So this we discussed, we have been discussing the same thematic indices for last 1 week. One is consumption, the other is oil and gas, the next is energy and commodities, and PSC also. PSC, though it closed negatively today, but yesterday, day before yesterday, yes, I made a video discussing all the sector and in thematic indices, technical analysis actually. So I made a video on it. It is there in sector and indices analysis, which is weekly analysis. So you can see there the sectors which are looking positive are one is a PSC and then energy, obviously oil and gas also, and then consumption. Consumption is basically it is a reversal, whereas the PSC and energy are reaching their supply zone and trying to breach the supply zones, which is called a breakout actually. Whereas consumption is more or like a reversal index actually. So yeah, so that's what happening. It's the same that we have discussed on a Sunday video. The same indices are showing positive strength this week actually. So apart from that, industry level, if you see, so what performed today is paper products. Out of 18 stocks from paper, nearly some 15 to 16 stocks has performed very, which means closed positively. So let's see from stock point of view. I will show that also. Let's see now itself paper. Yeah, if you see the whole pack of paper products has closed positively, apart from the two bottom stocks. And if you see the 200-day trend, they are beaten down stocks. If you see the 200-day this thing, except which is this N rail. I'm not sure what the stock name is. Yeah, that was performing well, and its RS score is also very good. So yeah, this is from paper sector. This is looking good. After that, what else? Sesha paper, Sesh paper. This one is also looking good. And next is Ruchira, TNPL, and then West Coast paper. So yeah, and if you see today's performance, JK paper performed closed 11.5% positively, and Kautam 8.5%. So Genus paper also 3.8%. Andhra paper 3.28. Okay, so if you see some momentum has come into paper products, so we need to check how the setup is forming in each stock. Then, if possible, we can see any kind of entry. As of now, this is what happening in the money has flown today into paper industry. So that is clear. Let's see monthly who's. So if you see Shesh paper, West Coast, Andhra paper, Ruchira, Imami paper, TNPL. So these are the one which closed positively so far. Out of that, NRail is looking very good, and it is also at all-time 52-week high, I guess. So rest of the stocks are at their lows, nearly at least 20 to 30% away from its 52-week high. Whereas this NRail itself hardly 10% away from 52-week high. Yeah, that's what about paper industry. Now, what else? Biotechnology. So biotechnology has been performing for last 1 week, which gave 10% upside in weekly time frame. So if you see, so as a trend, if 200-day trend, it is saying it is coming from reversing from the 52-week low. So let's see biotechnology. Okay, only 2 stocks are there. That is the reason. It is anyway. Advanced enzymes has closed 3.5%, and you can see the trend because not much stock. Obviously, it is going to sit in the top 10 because only 2 stocks are there. So hospital industry also closed 2.5% positive today. How many stocks are there? Okay, 16 are there. Nearly 80% stocks are positively closed. So I think we need to check them. Bio, let's remove bio. So yeah, if you see from monthly point of view, so who has closed positively? If you see Kim's, Yadharth, Max Health, Apollo Hospital, Indra Medco, Forts. I don't know whether there might be results day actually. Yeah, I think today or day before yesterday, a few hospital stock results, quarterly results have come out. So could be that reason money is again started coming into this. Maybe the results are good. I'm not sure from fundamental point of view, but I'm just looking out for a reason. Anyway, so if you see daily Indra Indra Medco, which gives 6.6% upside. Kim's also closed nearly 6% upside. HCG 4.5%. Aster DM and Narayan Hrudayalaya, Apollo Hospitals, Max Wealth, Fortis. The yeah, everything closed apart from last three stocks. Everything is looking good. And from RS point of view, so Fortis and other looking strong. And let's see. Okay, so Apollo Hospital is strong. I mean, from 52-week high, it is hardly 8% away from the 52-week high. So most of the stocks were beaten down, but you can see Max Health, Agarwal Eye Care, and Yadar, Aster DM. These are the near its 52-week high. So I think we can, if we find any good setup, then yeah. Anyway, it's better we analyze all the stocks in this particular pack. So far we have seen paper and bio. I mean hospitals. Water supply is also doing good for last 5 days and 10 days. How many are there? 5 stocks are there. In 5 days, most of the stocks, which means 4 stocks has closed positively. Today, not much of the stocks has found closed positively. Water. Okay, so if you see, sorry. So yeah, 2 stocks has closed positively because of the this JT. What is it? JITF Infra. This gave 10% upside. The rest of the stocks, they are neutral because the stocks are less. Obviously, the average is skewed, so that's the reason it is sitting in the top. But still, you can check out what's happening with this JITF Infra. It is coming from the bottom, but we can find some. We can wait for a good setup to form in that. So ion exchange also, if you can see, for last 21 days it has been positive, close the 10% higher. So if you see auto two-wheelers, auto passenger, auto tires, rubber, and auto components. So mostly all the auto sector has come into the top 10 today, because if you see at the sector level, it is in the top one actually today. So yeah, again auto is reviving. So that is so visible, and you can try to find good stocks, good setups from that. So yeah, that's what I can say. And from Bharat point of view, this refineries, again, they did great today. They closed positively. Nearly 5 stocks closed positively out of 6, but not much momentum, which means it's just hovering at that yesterday's close itself. And what else? Yeah, that's it. Asset management companies also closed positively, and Auto tires, you can see financial product distributors. Only 2 stocks are there. You can check out which are those. Yeah, that's what the key information is today. So today, what is happening? Paper, hospitals picked up, auto sector is going up, and then whole auto pack is going up. Then a few packs from FMCG also. And yeah, they can. Yeah, that's what I will close it here itself.